Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Tuesday, September 6th, 2022. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. Here's a look at the daily time frame of the ES. Right now, we are trading within a narrow range here to begin the day. 58% of average range, 48 points total, and currently inside the range here from Monday's trading. Overall, what we're seeing right now is an early rejection after price pushed above the previous month's close here. Price pushing up, you're seeing a rejection just at the bottom of the monthly pivot range, and now price is pushing back down a bit below there. So again, that could be an indication that a full-on continuation could be seen back toward the previous quarter's close. We've already dropped along the way, seen value go offered, continued to push through support, and right now we are sitting just above 3,900 and continue to see rejection here above prices above the previous month's close, which would suggest more weakness in the near term. So that lower level down there could be in play right around the 37.75s. That'll be basically taking price back to the break-even point to begin Q3. So right now, any pullback could be a selling opportunity. Even if we were to bounce a bit, you have a downward sloping PIMA trigger zone that could provide a selling opportunity as we move forward. If we take a look here at the NQ, very similar price action. You'll see here prices going offered above the previous month's close so far. Prices basically sitting right on that 12K level, and below 12K, below that 12.2 opens up this lower blue dot, maybe even new lows. So bringing it back to the break even for the quarter could be ahead here as the market continues to push back to that blue dotted line below. Any pullback, again with a downward sloping PIMA trigger zone, could provide a selling opportunity for a continuation down toward that 11,550 zone. So that's about where we're headed right here, 11,515. That's the previous quarter's close, and that could be the next swing target up ahead. Any bounce could be sold for a continuation toward that target. Taking a look at crude oil, you'll see right now crude oil continues to teeter right on the edge of critical support. 86 is significant support. CLVN, it has held throughout the year so far. One of the things we mentioned before was the downward slope. The downward trend continues to remain in effect. We're sitting right on 86s now, and at some point here you would expect a break to occur, and if so, we could be headed right back to the 75s. 75 is also at the previous year's close. That's the previous year's close. You've seen the rally up to the FOMC key level for January 26th. Price rallied, and we've stayed above that level ever since. Right now we're below it, or right at it, and a failure through 86 again opens up a 75 move up ahead or somewhere close to it. So keep an eye on 86s here. If price can somehow manage to stay above 86, then we could be bouncing back up toward 96, 97. So right here on the edge is crude oil. We'll see which way we go here early this week. If we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin right now within a narrow range over the last several days, sitting at these lows. You can see here a 6-day narrow range within a down move. Again, 18.5 could be ahead. That's the previous quarter's low and close right in that zone. We could be looking at a push right into that area here ahead. So right now, a very clear downtrend here. Big time rejection at the 25.3. And a narrow 6-day range could finally lead to new lows up ahead for Bitcoin. Looking at ETH, this one quite a bit different. It continues to show a bit more strength than Bitcoin. It continues to hold the 13 to 1400 area support, and right now you see 8% gain right here for ETH, whereas Bitcoin is down on the day at the moment. Again, this could be a counter trend move right now. Any strength in the down move here could be sold. We could back off these levels, but the fact that this is holding that 1300 to 1400 zone is very bullish overall. If there were to be a break, we could be looking at a retest of lows up ahead. All right, one quick thing also, we'll be doing a monthly market outlook tomorrow, which is Wednesday, September 7th, 2022. In the afternoon, 4 p.m. Central, we'll go right after the market closes here at 4 p.m. Central Time, and we will look at stocks, futures, and look at various opportunities that are developing here in the new month of trading. We'll also take your requests. So join me tomorrow for the monthly market outlook. This is a free event at Wednesday, 4 p.m. Central Time. Also, Fed Chair Powell will speak later on this week before the market opens, Thursday, 8:10 a.m. Central. That could be a market moving event later on this week. All right, everyone, have a fantastic rest of your morning, and I'll see you in the room. Take care.